Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we give you the honest truth about the beauty products that promise to transform your routine. If you're someone who loves a radiant glow, you might want to stick around for today's review. We're talking about a product from one of the most beloved brands in beauty, Tarte. Their Shape Tape Glow Powder in the shade Moonlit is here, and it's claiming to bring a subtle yet beautiful, luminous finish to your complexion. So, let's dive into what this product has to offer and if it truly delivers the glow you've been looking for. Now, for those of you who are wondering, Tarte is known for its high-performance formulas that are cruelty-free and made for a variety of skin types. The Shape Tape Glow Powder is no exception. It comes in a pressed form, making it easy to pack and apply wherever you go. The shade Moonlit is described as a sheer rosy bronze glow, perfect for adding that subtle luminosity without overwhelming your skin with glitter or shimmer. The key ingredient here is the diamond complex, designed to reflect light and neutralize skin discolorations, dullness, and darkness. What's impressive is the promise of a glow without any of that chunky shimmer that often comes with products like this. I've used this powder over the course of a few weeks in various conditions, from a normal workday to a night out, and I can confidently say that it works well. The texture is smooth and finely milled, which allows for a buildable glow. When I first tried it, I wasn't sure if it would show up on my medium skin tone, but it delivered just the right amount of radiance. It doesn't have that glittery effect that you get from some highlighters. Instead, it's more of a soft, lit-from-within glow. Perfect if you're looking for something natural for daily wear, but can also be layered for a more intense effect when you need it. The wearability was a big plus for me. Throughout the day, the powder stayed put without fading, which is a huge factor when it comes to pressed powders. I've used it both with foundation and on bare skin, and it performed well either way. It doesn't settle into fine lines or emphasize texture, which is something I always look out for in powders. In terms of pros, it's definitely one of those products that feels luxurious on the skin. The diamond complex is a nice touch for neutralizing dullness, and the texture is soft, making application easy and even. I also love that it's a versatile product that can be worn as an all-over glow or used to highlight specific areas like the cheekbones or brow bone. However, there are a couple of cons to consider. The packaging is typical Tarte, which is sturdy but a bit bulky if you're trying to keep your makeup bag compact. Also, while the powder is buildable, it may not be pigmented enough for those who are looking for something that can be worn as a full-on highlighter. It's more of a glow with a hint of color, so if you prefer a more intense highlight, this may not be your go-to. As for value for money, Tarte products are often priced on the higher side, and this one falls into that category. However, considering the quality of the product and the fact that it's something you can use daily without looking overly shiny or glittery, I think it's worth the investment, especially if you're someone who likes a subtle glow rather than a full-on highlighter. If you're looking for an alternative that's a bit more affordable, but still offers a similar effect, the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Powder Glow Illuminator is a good option. It's a bit more affordable, and while it's not exactly the same, it provides that same lit-from-within look. However, if you're set on Tarte, this product lives up to the brand's reputation of quality, so it's a solid choice. In terms of build quality, the powder itself is finely milled, and the packaging is durable, but not overly sleek or compact. The powder should last a long time, especially given that a little goes a long way. The longevity of the product is impressive. I didn't have any issues with fading or wearing off by the end of the day. I didn't need to reach out to customer service for this product, but I know Tarte has a reputation for responsive support, so if there are any issues, you can expect a helpful team to assist. So who would benefit from this product? If you're someone who's looking for a soft, natural glow without the glitter and shimmer, this is definitely a product to consider. It's also ideal for those with all skin types looking to add a little radiance without going overboard. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.